Now let's look at this question which came in 2022 or last year. Those who are writing their internal exam, the question says in the parallelogram OABC, this is the parallelogram which they are talking about. OA is equal to 4Q. You go to the diagram, this is 4Q. OC is equal to 6C and AP is equal to 2 over 3 AC, and M is the midpoint of BC. Okay, BC, this one. Now, the first question, now when they say midpoint, midpoint means half. And we can see this parallel line, it is moving from O to C. Now, this parallel line cannot just go alone, meaning even this part there is a parallel line. So this means if you have 4Q, meaning here you have 4Q. So this means that O a kite is moving from here up to here. So you write OA, vector OA is equal to vector CB. That's the way it is. They are just the same. That's how parallel lines are, or what they tell us. So now the first question, find in terms of Q and O or C. So you say solution. So you say L is equal to, then you write AC. Now you split this one like this. After doing that, you go to the diagram. They said AC. So which route am I going to take? It's this route which I will take. Then after doing that, I know that I will take this route. What I'm going to do, I can say here the letter I've written AC. I'm not paying attention to P. The letter which I haven't written is what? O. Then I put O here. O. O. Like this. So what I was doing, I'm using this triangle, which goes like this. Yeah, where we have A, C, and O. So as I was splitting this one, so that the letter which I denote it is O. Yeah, this is the method I use. So A, C is equal to now AO. Now, OA is what? 4QI. Now, AO is the opposite of OAI. For that reason, it will be negative 4Q plus OC. OC, it's what? It's 6C. 6C. Then it means you are done, and you even get free 1 mark. Now they are saying find OP. So here, the route I will take, it's this one. It's like this. A O P I. So I write A. Oh, they said OP. So here to O plus P. OP. This one I've written. Which letter I've written is A. So I write A like this. So OP, OA it's what? 4Q. Then AP, they gave us here in the question, they said AP is equal to 2 over 3 AC. So write 2 over 3. Then AC, you know it's what? Negative 4Q plus 6C. Yeah. So OP, so it will be 4Q. Then you multiply 2 by positive by negative, it's negative 2 by 4, that's 8Q. So plus 2 by 6, that's 12C over 3. Then you balance the fraction like this. OP is equal to the common denominator, it's what? 3, or the number in which 1 and 3 can go into without leaving a remainder, it's what? 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 by 4 is 12Q. Minus 3 into 3, 1. 1 by that one to give us these ones. So OP is equal to 12Q minus 8Q. It gives us 4Q plus 12C over 3. Then it means you are done. For question B. So the next question says we find OM. So OM, we are going to find it like this. OM. So which part are we doing with? Meaning we extend this one like this. This makes OM, right? Then we see that the route we are going to take, it will be like this. Yeah, here we have O and here AM, then here C. So you continue with my method. OM, right M, then I split them like this. Which letter I haven't written is C, right? C, like this. Right? So now, what you're going to do is simply say OM is equal to OC. OC is 6C in the diagram here, you can say. Then CM. What's the value for CM? Here in the question they said M is the midpoint of what? Of BC. Of BC. And you need to bear in mind that BC is equal to negative 4Q. That's one thing you need to bear in mind. When as you can see, I've seen this parallel diagonalization. When coming from C to B, it's what? 4QI. So that's the way it is. So midpoint means half. So in order to find CM is the I can say it's the half of CBI. So we need to find the half of what? 4. Then what's the half of 4? It's C2. So it will be 2Q. Then it means you are done finding OM. Now we go to the other question. Question C says, hence or otherwise show that the points O, P, and M are collinear. When they say points are collinear, it means they lie on the same straight line. You can see this is a straight line. You can see these points O, P, and M. They are lying on the same straight line, or they are on the same straight. This means that they are collinear. That's what it means. So what we are going to do is simple. We do this. Okay, so now what you're going to do here, they said you should show the points O, P, and M are collinear. So you are going to do this. You say O, P is equal to, we look at the vectors that we found. If you want, you can say OP to PM. Right now, you look at the one we found. So OP and OM. Then where there's OM, you put K. What was the value for OP? OP, we found it was 4Q plus 12C over 3 is equal to K. OM, it's what? 6C plus 2Q, like this. Then you write like this, 4Q over 3 plus 12C over 3. Then K by 6, then to be 6KC plus 2KQ. Here we want to show that these points are collinear. The method that I'm using is where we express one vector as the scalar multiple of the other. K, the one you are seeing, is the scalar. That's the way it is. So we need to find the K. So we do this. So here it will be 4Q over 3. It will go with the one having Q. Which one is this one? You equate it to it. 2KQ. And 3 is divisible in 12. It goes how many times? 4. So 4C is equal to 6KC. Then what you are going to do here, you cross multiply like this. 3 by 2K or KQ is equal to 1 by 4Q. And this side to be like this. 4C is equal to 6KC. So you divide both sides by what? 6C in order to remain with K. Here to be 6KQ is equal to 4Q. Then you cancel this one like this. Like this. So this side, K is what? It's equal to 4 over 6. Here also, in order to find K, you divide both sides by 6Q. And here 6Q. So K will be equal to 4 over 6. Okay, this Q will be cancelled. and here is what? 4 over 6. Then you simplify them. Which number can go into 4 and 6 without leaving a remainder? That's what? 2. 2 into 4, that's 2. 2 into 6, 3. And 2 just the same, even that side, eh? So then you say, hence, shown the points O, P, and M are collinear. You are done. That's the method I use as for me. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section.